In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a voice yell loudly using ElevenLabs TTS. To get started, open your ElevenLabs dashboard. Once you are inside, go to the Text-to-Speech tab from the left-hand side. This is where you will create and fine-tune the voice output. After that, paste in your script or type it directly into the text box. It's a simple step, but it's also the foundation for getting the effect you want. So make sure your text is ready before moving into the settings. Now look over to the settings panel on the right-hand side. The first thing you will want to adjust is the stability slider. Lower it to around 30 to 40%. This is important because lower stability allows the voice to sound more expressive, more emotional, and more dynamic. In other words, instead of sounding too controlled or flat, it can come across more like a real person raising their voice. Next, increase the similarity slider to around 75 to 85%. This helps preserve the overall character of the voice while you push it into louder, more intense delivery. It also helps keep the output from sounding too crackly, harsh, or distorted when the yelling effect gets stronger. Finding the right balance between these two sliders is one of the key parts of making the result sound believable. After that, focus on formatting your text. The way you type your words can make a big difference in how the AI performs them. If you want the line to hit harder, write the text in all caps. This gives the AI a stronger signal that the words should sound more forceful. You can also add exclamation marks at the end of your sentences to reinforce that louder, more intense delivery. Then, still in the settings area on the right-hand side, click on Voices and choose a voice from the ElevenLabs voice library. For this kind of effect, it helps to pick a voice that already sounds energetic, confident, or tough. Starting with the right voice makes the yelling sound more natural and convincing. Next, select the model settings and choose 11v3. This model works best if you want to add tags. Once that's selected, you can use audio tags directly in your text. For example, you can type tags like yell, shout, or scream before or after your words. These tags help guide the engine toward the tone and intensity you want. When everything looks good, click Generate and listen to the result. If needed, you can make small adjustments and try again until the voice sounds just right. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.